Hello dear students, in this lecture we will study why Python is an interpreted language and not a compiled language. Python is an interpreted language though it involves a compilation step to an intermediate bytecode. First step is compilation to bytecode. When we run a Python script, the source code is first compiled to an intermediate form called bytecode, which is stored in .pyc files. This bytecode is a low-level platform independent representation of our code. Second stage is interpreted by the PVM or Python virtual machine. This bytecode is then executed by the Python virtual machine PVM, which acts as an interpreter. The Python virtual machine reads and executes the bytecode instructions one by one. So first we need to write our Python code using any code editor such as Visual Studio Code or Google Colab or PyCharm, and first step, this will be stored in .pyc files as bytecode. This bytecode is platform independent. Later, this bytecode is interpreted line by line by the Python virtual machine. Now, Python is interpreted because Python's bytecode is not directly machine code and it requires the Python virtual machine to run. Unlike C or C++, Python's bytecode is not directly machine code and the Python's bytecode requires the Python virtual machine to run. That's why Python is not a compiled language, rather it's known as an interpreted language. Python does not have a compilation phase to bytecode. Its execution model relies on an interpreter, which is Python virtual machine or PVM, to run that bytecode. So, Python's execution model relies on an interpreter known as Python virtual machine. This will turn the bytecode into machine code. That's why Python is an interpreted language and Python is not a compiled language unlike C or C++. Thank you.